be sharing some tips on how to avoid creasing into your eyes. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome to people. So first, skin prep. Skin prep is one of the key foundation makeup. You have to make sure your preparation is properly arranged. So next, I went in with my foundation, and I'm just going to be blending that foundation into my skin. I know you're going to question me of why do my eyebrows before I apply foundation or before I apply my makeup. Yes, I usually do my eyebrows after my skin prep, but I couldn't record that part. But if you want to know about how to draw your eyebrows or tips on your eyebrows, you can go down to my channel and you can see a tutorial on how to draw your eyebrows. So next is a concealer. I'll be using this generous amount of concealer underneath my eyes. You don't need to pack too much concealer on your eyes, just a little concealer, and it will go a very long way. So you just need to know how to blend in those concealers. Make sure you use a creamy based product type of concealer, because that type of product makes it easy for you to blend. So next, you use a pressed powder to just blend out those concealer areas. So next is your nose. I make use of a darker shade, not too dark, to just contour my nose. For those that are used to making use of powder contour for your nose contouring, make sure you use something that is very dark, starting from your eyebrows down to your nose areas. Then take a very lighter shade, darker than the one you used earlier, and just drag it down to the tip of your nose. It's as easy as that. So then I'm just going to blend out the rest of my face with a powder that is my exact shade, and I'm just going to be blending them out. I'm not going to make use of too much powders, because making use of too much powders can make your makeup fall out. So next is your setting powders. Make use of a very generous amount of setting powder and just set that on the eyes very gently. Don't pack too much. At the same time, you also want to slim down that your nose contour area, and at the same time take a very little amount and just bake that area. So I'm making use of a very nude eyeshadows. I'm not making use of any eyeshadow base, any eyeshadow primer, because I want something nude and something that will not shine out too much. So this is me lining my lips with an eye pencil. I'm just going to line that lips, and I'll be taking it with a nude color to just blend out my lips. Blending is the key, guys. Like, make sure you just blend out your makeup properly well. So next, we just want to blend out our concealer and take out the excess. So first of all, blend out the edges. That is very important. Make sure you blend out the edges first before going into the inner corners of your eyes, and make use of a fix spray to set and lock in your makeup. So next, I go in with my mascara and my eyeliner, and I just give my eyes a very perfect shape. So our look is killing. So I'm making use of a powder brush, and I'm just going to tap in that blush in my cheeks. Our makeup is looking cute, guys. I'm so excited. So just want to tap in that bronzer in that same spot. So my favorite areas to tap in my bronzer is my tip of my nose, my forehead, and my cheeks. It just gives it that glow. Like, take a look at the outcome of our makeup, guys. Our makeup is giving. Like, thank you all for watching. Bye. Love you all.